Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umair. I am the student of Comset University Islamabad, WA campus, Department of Electrical Engineering. Here I am going to present our final year project Smart Irrigation System using IOT, which is supervised by Dr. Muhammad Awais. My group members are Majid Ali Khan, Fazal Khan and Muhammad Usman. The introduction of our project are: irrigation is the artificial application of water to the land or soil to assist in the growing of agriculture crops. Oil moisture, air humidity, temperature and water level in the soil are wirelessly transmitted using wireless technology for better production. Interfacing of microcontroller through moisture sensor and data centralization through Firebase. Why do we need smart irrigation system using IoT? We have some following points which are given below. The first one is most of the farmers will use large portion of farming land and it becomes very difficult to reach and track each corner of large land. Sometimes there is a possibility of uneven water sprinkles. The result in the bad quality crops which further leads to the financial losses. The last one is in this scenario the smart irrigation system using latest IoT technology is helpful and leads to ease of farming. Now we have discussed about the components what are the components required in our project. This is the components which are used in our project. The first one is Node MCU ESP32. The second one is relay module. And the third one is soil moisture sensors module. The last one is water pump module. These components are used in our project. This is the block diagram of our project smart irrigation system. Power supply, sensing system, control circuit, water pump to soil. Now, how does smart irrigation system using IoT works? We have to discuss about it. The working of smart irrigation system using IoT which are given below. It will not only automatically irrigate the water based on the moisture level in the soil but also send the data to cloud server to keep track of the land condition. The system will consist of a water pump which will be used to sprinkle the water on the land depending upon the land environmental condition such as moisture, temperature and humidity. These are some basic points how to smart irrigation works using IoT. Now we have told you about some important notes. The first one is it is important to note that the different crops require different soil moisture, temperature and humidity conditions. And we are using such a crops which will require a soil moisture about 50 to 55%. When the soil loses its moisture to less than 50%, then motor pump will turn on automatically to sprinkle the water and it will continue to sprinkle the water until moisture goes up to 55% and after that the pump will be turned off. Now we have to discuss about the need of automatic irrigation which are given below. The first one is easy and simple to install. The second one is resources and energy can be saved so that can be utilized in proper way and amount. After that, why build a smart irrigation system project? IoT is the changing the way we live. IoT is also changing the way trees and plants live. This project helps you understand how to implement IoT in very important areas like agriculture and irrigation. Now we are showing you smart project demo. This is the short overview of our project. These are the moisture sensors which are placed in every plants. You can see it. And now these are our electric valves. The code of our smart irrigation system is that first the project ID, then project token from database, then our Wi-Fi as a secret Wi-Fi password. So after that we have initialized the values of Arduino ESP32 of moisture sensors, which we take values of moisture sensor and we connect Arduino with ESP32 through TX or RX pin, which shows the serial communication, and Arduino take values from sensors and communicate with ESP32 to TX or RX pin and transfer their values to ESP32, and ESP32 collectively 6 moisture sensor values to Firebase so that the humidity less than 50%, then our water pumps are on and its values are on, and when the greater than 50%, then our electric valves are off. So this is the project, or this is our final year project. Thank you.